baby, won't you sail with me out on the rolling sea? We'll find some place to go, maybe down to Barbados. It's an island off somewhere in the middle of nowhere, sailing to freedom, you and me.
Hello everybody, I'm Lisa and I've just arrived on this boat yesterday.
But we've been all day
On
sailing.
the sea.
Yeah. So where are you from?
I'm from Switzerland, so a country with just mountains and sweetwater lakes. I've been sailing before, but just on those, so this is a whole new experience for me.
How big was the boat you sailed on before?
Maybe half of this.
Okay. And what's your impression when you look around and you don't see any land whatsoever?
It's pretty scary. It's also really cool.
And what about last night, the first night experience sailing? What was that like?
Freaky, especially that time when the autopilot broke and I had to steer the boat for only like 10 minutes, but still, I was scared as hell.
Actually, she did a very good job. Because we got new lithium batteries, the Victron auto cut out, we ran the batteries down too low and they cut off. And they cut off everything, so we lost everything. But she managed very well. Lisa's very quick at picking things up, which is really good. I mean, she already worked out how to, you know, do practically everything on the boat. What's the scariest moment so far?
I think the thing with the autopilot.
Yeah.
Also, there was this moment in the middle of the night where we had to take the big jib in, and the boat was leaning like this, and we took the strength of the two of us to just take it in, and it almost didn't work out.
So what was your expectations before you arrived to see lovely boat freedom?
I didn't really think a lot about how it would actually be to be on the boat on the open ocean, if it would actually freak me out or not.
Right. But I think I've worked out that you're the type of the person that although you might be frightened, you don't show it and you still are able to do things. You don't freeze up. Is that right?
Yes, that's definitely right.
Do you
no
think
point in doing that.
No, there's no point. It's just that people don't usually have a choice. They just freak out.
Yeah.
So do you think you're mountaineering, because that's what you like to do, you know, hike around the mountains and snowboard on new mountains that no one's ever gone to. Do you think that that's trained you a bit to be like that?
Definitely. Yeah.
Because what are you going to be? You're going to be self-reliant, not stupid, and come back in one piece.
Maybe be stupid, but just handle it.
Yeah, okay. Well, good. You do know that you're not going to die on this boat. You might think you might die. Yeah, but you're not going to die on this boat, but you're going to get close. Is that the sort of adventure that you'd like to have?
As long as it's just close, everything's fine.
You can tell your grandkids and all of that?
Yes.
Now, you're touring around Central America. You're only here for a short time. I'm very, very fortunate that Lisa's helping me because it makes it so much easier to sail. So you're off to where next?
I'm heading to Bolivia next to help in a project where they release monkeys that were taken captive as pets.
Oh, okay, all right. That's a very noble cause. There's no noble cause on this boat except to just make silly films about what we do every day. Hey, are you okay with that?
Perfectly fine. Just the experience being on the boat makes it worth it.
Well, excellent stuff, Lisa. Whoa, shit. Whoa, sorry, people. I haven't got my sea legs yet. It's been like 3 months since I've been at sea. We've got the new Facna furler up. It's working a charm. And look what we got out the back. That's the South Atlantic wind vane system. We'll go through that another day, but it's working a charm, and hopefully that'll keep all our batteries well, free from use, basically, so we can use them for other things. All right, well look, we've got another whole night. So basically, you're going to be at sea for about 3 days and 2 nights. So that's not too bad for your first run.
It's not too bad at all.
Yeah. What do you reckon the biggest wave you've seen so far?
Maybe 2.5?
Yeah, I think that's pretty right. I think one came through at 3, but you don't count that. That's the 1 in 2,000 wave that doesn't count. But yeah, it's basically 1.5 to 2.5. It's a bit of a mix here at the moment. It's we're just coming around the point up to Linton Bay, and it's the currents meet, and there's different swells from San Blas and in the middle of the bay. So we can't actually build up our apparent speed that much, but we're doing our best. And of course, we're just shaving the reef, and we're at 40 degrees to windward, and we're trying to maintain one track to run all the way to San Blas. So it's a bit tricky, it's a fine line. But the South Atlantic wind vane steering system is handling it, and I'm bloody deliriously happy. No more freaking out about batteries, no more freaking out about is the autopilot going to fail. There's like 3 things that can break on this thing, and they're just bushes that wear away. It's bulletproof. I'm so happy about it. Trying to catch you people? No chance. You line them up with some part of your boat, and it looks like that you're going to hit them, but then as they get in front of you, they just go, whoa, gone. We got more boats in front and over there, so the next 4 hours, it's going to be a bit busy, and then we should be okay. But I'm actually surprised about how close we got to that. I think he's only doing 15 knots. I mean, if they're doing 20, 25, they just rock it, and it's hard to catch them. Not that I want to catch them, but you know. Nice to yell out and say good day. Another day ends. Lisa's had a day and a half on the boat. We're coming up to the second night. She's not seasick at all, people. At all. But we've got a cargo ship there, but that's not the worry. This guy, he's a worry because he's going to sneak in. We've got land there, he's going to sneak in between me and the land and then go in front. But I figure he's going to be doing 20 knots, so it's not so bad. But I'll try and get as close as I can to get some pickies. All for the vlog, people. See the sacrifices I make. Okay, this guy, he's on the same bearing for the last 10 minutes. This is starting to be a bit concerning. Hopefully he's going to Cartagena. That means he'll start going to starboard. Because if he doesn't, well, my boat's going to have a lot of blue on it. This is crazy, people. He's not stopping for nothing. And that's fair enough. He weighs like 100,000 tons. If I did not go into wind, we would have hit that boat. Easily. Let's wave! That was less than 100 meters, we would have been here. And I would have had a new paint job. Well, I am a fan of blue, people. The trouble is, it's at the cost of having a big dent. And when I say a big dent in the boat, well, smashed into like 100 pieces. Bye bye! We sailed through another night, but in the morning we could see San Blas. Okay, turn into wind. Sure, come on, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do that one again. Well, I've heard girls are multitaskers. I can only do one thing at a time. Yes. Okay. All right. Ready? We'll do that again. Okay. Hold it. Are you excited?
Yes.
Oh, I could have been better. How nice is that? Sorry, just scare you?
Yes.
Sorry. Isn't it beautiful?
It's amazing.
It's just so beautiful.
It's real.
But this is beautiful. I can't wait. Even though I've been here heaps of times before, people, I've got goosebumps. Well, I'm a bit cold because I got rained upon. But I've got goosebumps in spirit, even though I'm a bit cold. And it's like 30 degrees out. Don't ask me why. Go, go, go. Two days at sea.
2 hard days at sea.
Yeah. You didn't get much sleep?
No.
I got hardly any sleep. But we're here. Is it paradise?
Yes.
It is paradise, isn't it?
Paradise, I know.
And, alright, well, let's do a toast. Toast, everyone. Thank you, patrons, for supporting us. It's a tough life, having a bit of a shandy. Oh, sorry. Ginger ale and... But look at this. We've got... we're going to do smoked fish. I didn't have much time to go spearfishing today. We've got a little dog snapper and we've got mackerel and heaven forbid I've got a trevally there. But smoked, they're quite good. So sweet potato and the lovely Lisa, who's helping me sail. She's only not going to be here for long, just to get the experience, help me to sail the boat and help me with the videos, people, because I'm doing like 100 hours a week and it's ridiculous. So hopefully Lisa can, and I'm slow, and Lisa can help me out with that. So Lisa's going to be around for, I don't know, probably 6 episodes, 7 episodes. So make her feel welcome. Have the comments nice. Put all the negative comments on me. Have the nice ones for her. Okay. All right. See you at dinner. Oh, baby, people. Okay, so that perhaps was not a good idea. You know, gets rid of all the chitras, you know, all the no-see-ums. So that's what I was thinking, people, because, you know, Lisa, she's a bit delicate. Well, she's not delicate at all. But I'm sorry, Lisa's giving me a foul look. But the chitras are a pain in the ass, right? Whether you're delicate or not. No? I think we're good. All right. Have you tried it yet?
Not yet.
Well, come on. Hurry up.
Yeah.
Jesus.
It's really tasty.
There you go. See, look, she's been trained. She knows what, yeah, all positive. This is the positive vlog, people. I can't wait.
It's actually really tasty.
Yeah, well, of course, it's my smoked fish.
I was in a bit of a hurry there.
Yeah, well, you gotta get the whip on them sometimes, people. No negative connotations there. I can't wait. I'm exhausted. I'm gonna eat. I'm not gonna film it too much, but I already know it's delicious. You know it's delicious. Anyway, bon appetit to you. It is good, isn't it?
It is good.
Oh yeah.
Definitely is.
And she bought butter. I mean, butter. We never even. It's amazing. It's good stuff. All right. Good night, people. I do have to say something. Lisa's very, very helpful. She's unbelievably helpful. But we've been so tired for 2 days because we had I wouldn't say it was a hard sail, but it was against the wind for the first day and a bit, and we didn't get much sleep. But when I woke Lisa, she's like, you're like a bear in hibernation. That's the best thing I can describe. You're like because you seem to be awake. And I said, okay, can you help me do this? And you went, okay. And then I'd come back in and she's back asleep. And
Really?
So, yeah. And so I woke the bear again. I gave you a shake. I said, "Come on, we gotta do a sail change." I can't remember what it was. And you were up, but you weren't your normal, vibrant, happy self. So I think you were a hibernating bear, and you weren't quite awake. You were like 20% awake, 80% asleep. But she's very helpful when she's woke up. Anyway.
Once she's woken up.
Well, she's woke up. Yeah, if you go down the third time and go, "Hey Lisa," the sleeping bear syndrome. There you go. Top stuff.